Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing about Karnataka TET 2019 science paper analysis based on official revised key answers. First question, a dash is formed if the water level on two sides is higher than the middle. Options, borewell, aquifer, artesian well, reservoir. Here the correct answer is option C, artesian well. Second question, polymer found in human body is options, mitochondrion, DNA, Golgi complex, ribosome. Here the correct answer is option B, DNA. Third question, rayon blended with wool is used to make options, polycot, surgical dressing, carpets, polywood. Here the correct answer is option D, polywood. Next fourth question, chemical formula of rust is option Fe2O3, Fe2O3H2O, Fe2O3 plus 2FeOH thrice. Option D, Fe3O4. Here the correct answer is option B, Fe2O3.H2O. Which of the following statement is correct? Options, all metals are ductile, all non-metals are ductile, generally metals are ductile, some non-metals are ductile. Here the correct answer is option C, generally metals are ductile. Sixth question, the number of dots in braille is options 10, 12, 6 and 8. Here the correct answer is option C, 6. Seventh question, the original material used in the construction of early aircraft. Option, wood, steel, aluminium, titanium. Here the correct answer is option A, wood. This is used in the production of electricity. Options, coal, coke, coal gas, quartz. Here the correct answer is option A, coal. Ninth question, this is one of the kind of contact force. Options, magnetic force, force of friction, electrostatic force, gravitational force. Here the correct answer is option B, force of friction. 10th question, one of the following is incorrect. When we try to move an object, static friction occurs. Friction is sometimes undesirable. Friction can be increased by ball bearing. The soles of the shoes increase friction. Here the incorrect answer is option C, friction can be increased by ball bearing. 11th question, this enhances lathering property of soap. Options, sodium carbonate, sodium rosynate, sodium stearate, trisodium phosphate. Here the correct answer is option B, sodium rosynate. 12th question, this is not used as food preservative. Options, table salt, vinegar, sugar, sodium hydroxide. Here the correct answer is option D, sodium hydroxide. 13th question, if we denote speed by S, distance by D and time by T, the relationship between these quantities is option A, S is equal to D into T, option B, T is equal to S by T, option C, S is equal to D by T, and option D, S is equal to T by T. Here the correct answer is option C, S is equal to D by T. 14th question, percentage of water absorbed by the roots utilized in photosynthesis. Options, 50%, 25%, 30%, 1%. Here the correct answer is option 4, 1%. 15th question, the features adapted by polar bears to survive in extreme cold climate. Options, a white fur, fat below skin, webbed feet. Option B, thin skin, large eyes, a white fur, a long tail, strong claws, a white fur, white body, paws for swimming, gills for respiration. Here the correct answer is option A, a white fur, fat below skin, webbed feet. 16th question, one of the statements given below is correct. Options, in winter, the winds flow from the land to the ocean. Option B, in summer, the winds flow from the land towards the ocean. Option C, a cyclone is formed by a high pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it. Option D, the coastline of India is not vulnerable to cyclones. Here the correct answer is both option A and option C as per the revised key answers. That is, in winter, the winds flow from land to the ocean, and also a cyclone is formed by a high pressure system with very high speed winds revolving around it. Both are right answers. 17th question, a newborn's normal breathing rate is options, 25 times per minute, 12 times per minute, 18 times per minute, 40 times per minute. Here the correct answer is option D, 40 times per minute. 18th question, one of the following statement is not correct. Options, forest prevents soil erosion and conserve soil. Plants and animals in a forest are not dependent on one another. Forests influence the climate and water cycle. Soil helps forests to grow and regenerate. Here the correct answer is option B. Plants and animals in a forest are not dependent on one another. 19th question. Chemical responsible for painful sting of nettle plant leaf is options lactic acid, citric acid, methanoic acid, acetic acid. Here the correct answer is option C, methanoic acid. 20th question. Muscle cramps in the human body is because of options increased carbon dioxide production, option B formation of ethylene, option C formation of lactic acid, option D accumulation of carbon monoxide in muscles. Here the correct answer is option C, formation of lactic acid. Thank you.